So here we are back at Cooper's Landing. Got a job in Columbia again. It's a couple weeks later from my last visit here and first visit. I'm like, hey, I'll just go stay here. I gotta work in the morning. And they're gonna spot me a hotel. So last time I stayed in a Staybridge, 130 bucks or something. This is like 60 bucks, which is kind of a lot, but I don't know. Especially when I don't have a camper, but since they're paying for it, it's half the price of what they would normally pay. So like, that's what I'll do. Just gotta figure out how to shower in the morning. They have a shower down there. I'll show you a picture of it. I don't know if I want to use that or not. Otherwise, I'll just take a canteen and dunk it on my head. The sun just went down so over the trees, so it's gonna cool off real fast. So the barge down there, Elda barge, it makes little noises all night as the waves kind of hit it. And should I get the awning out? Yeah, let's do it. So I was gonna get the awning now, but I'm not, because I only have the awning's 8 feet long. I only have like 7, so I'll hit that tree, but that's okay. So I'm gonna go get a beverage, listen to some music, and get food. See you on the flippy floppy. Yum. Baked potato with one bite out of it, stuffed full of everything. So that's it, man. Good night, Agnes. Good times. I was gonna shower, right? Someone unhooked the water line. I could probably hook it back up, I assume. But like the wind coming from the east, like this is just like blowing, and look at this, it's not attached, so we could just shower and you got your eyes closed, it just blows and it's touching you. That's disgusting. You don't want a shower curtain touching you all wet when other people have used it. So I'm gonna have to hose shower. Just hose off my head, I guess. But it would have been exciting. Either way, it's gonna be a brisk, refreshing rinse off, I guess. All right, there's a hose here. I gotta turn on, but there's no shut off, no way to shut it off. So I'm gonna shower and just let the water run until I dry off. No, I'll just put my shut off on there. This. Here's me shower. Towel ready. My soaps, shampoo, soaps. Some velocity going on here. Yeah, I'm glad nobody's behind me, so people are over here. One shower a week, right? Just kidding. Saturday night bath, like Bugs Bunny. Okay. Whew. Shower accomplished. Now coffee. Alright, turn my beans. Here's the problem with the mocha pot. It's hard to fill this thing because you need 2 hands to do it usually. But you can't just set it on the countertop because of the protrusion here. So look at this. This might work. Now I have 2 hands. So. mocha pot stuff. I wish the shower would have worked. That would have been an interesting experience. A lot of commotion here this morning. Some big trucks pulled in. Said river restoration on the side or something. Curious as to what they're doing. They're probably doing some river restoration, but you know, it's just a guess. Not very level. At least I can say I sat down a little bit this morning and relaxed. Route where I'm going, although I know it's like 20 minutes. I don't know if there is a rush hour type situation in Columbia, Missouri. I'm sure there is, but where that would be impacted, I don't know. River restoration, I guess that's just moving all the debris that floats down the river. Because he's digging all this mud and limbs. So I have a question. If humans never dredged rivers or cleaned them out, I don't know the proper terminology, would this river just be full of limbs? And this river's a little wide, I don't know, but like smaller rivers. I think they'd just be completely full of trees and stuff. Dead bodies, airplanes, I don't know. Yeah, look, he dug all that out and it's all floating out now. Just send it down the river. Not my problem. Popeye, man. River restoration in the nation. Fun. I kind of want to just sit here all day and watch them do the river restoration stuff. They got a bunch of little dinghies. This guy dug out some dirt and now it's just kind of dirt, you know, driftwood and whatever, mud. And it's kind of circling this little void here. Just sit here and watch the river float by all day. Well, man, it's pretty cool. Yeah, the way it floats down the river. They probably got a lot of resources because of MU, Missouri University. Did I forget anything? I hope I get to the point where I'm doing this so much, camping so much, that I just totally forget to put the tent away and drive off. I think it really got to that point. That just means that I've lost my mind. There's been hints, as I get older, just little hints of stupid things you do, just like, or forget, or whatever. The big trucks, Missouri River Restoration. Oh, they're setting up big tables and coolers and food and stuff, so they're gonna be doing a lot of work. All right, well, that was a nice little quick camping trip. I can't even call it a camping trip. Pulling into a posh spot by the river and with drinks and food very nearby and sleeping and waking up. Not that posh, only because no like shower, running water shower. So I can't call it completely posh. But the guy did say they're going to be putting in a bathhouse next year, I thought he said. So anyway, that's it. That wraps this chaos up. So now I gotta go do the work. Good talk. Bye-bye.